stretched wide, He bore our shame. Love poured out in crimson rain. On that cross, our hope was drawn. Through His pain, a new life dawned. Kapag Ngaidam Rawh, tiyan alotin, alhenda ng Ngaidam na.
Crown of thorns, heavy cross on His back, blood on the wood, but He never fought back. Nails in His hands, still He prays for the lost. Love in His eyes while He's paying the cost. Sky turning dark as the lambs lifted high. Mercy still flowing while hope seems to die. They mocked His name, but He spoke with grace. Father, forgive them, love taking our place.
Kapag Ngaidam Rawh, tiyan alotin, alhenda ng Ngaidam na.
From the 6th to the 9th, hear the earth cry out. Every chain breaking, no room left for doubt. He took my sin, every fear, every stain. By His deep wounds we are healed from the pain. It is finished, final breath, victory won. Death defeated by the sacrifice of the Son. From the cross to the grave, then the stone rolled away. Jesus on the cross made a brand new way.
Arms stretched wide, He bore our shame. Love poured out in crimson rain. On that cross,